Hi everyone, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today I am going to make mac and cheese. Yes, I am going to make mac and cheese. And my mother is also gonna help me a little since I don't know how to make it. So first we'll take a kadai, then we'll start. So first we're gonna put 1 liter of water. You can also put more than 1 liter if you want, or less than 1 liter. Next we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Then we're gonna take 2 and 1/2 cup and of macaroni. If you want to put more or less, you guys can put. You know why I made mac and cheese? Because today at dinner I thought of not eating rice and eating something delicious. So I thought of mac and cheese. So we're gonna stir it a little bit. It's now boiled well. Now let's drain it and keep aside. We are gonna do it in the same kadai. Let's add some butter and oil. Then we are gonna add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Then we are gonna stir it for 1 minute in low flames. Then we are gonna add 1 tablespoon of ginger. And now let's again stir it for 1 minute. Then add 1/3 cup of onions. Now again stir for 1 minute, but this time on medium flame. Now add 1/2 cup of tomato puree and fry for 2 to 3 minutes until it has no moisture or it has no water in it. Now add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce and 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. Now also add 1/4 cup of mayonnaise or Amul fresh. Add 1/2 tablespoon of soya sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or vinegar. Now add 2 pinch of black pepper. Now add 1/3 tablespoon of chili flakes and 1/3 tablespoon of oregano, and now add boiled macaroni. And now just give it a mix. After mixing, add 1/4 cup of milk. Mix it well and cook for 2 minutes on low flame. So now let's add mozzarella cheese on top. We add a little bit, but you can add more if you want, or less. Now let's add herbs. Then let's cover it and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, open the lid and serve it. And at last let's add chili flakes and oregano for more taste. By the way, at the last clip, me and my sister were eating the mac and cheese, and it was very tasty. You can see that how cheesy and creamy it looks. You should also try this if you want. I'm not forcing you to try. Look at that. You can. It's also very cheesy and yummy. You can see me and my sister eating together. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.